up, people? Welcome back to the show. So, I was thinking, how can I have a TARDIS without a doctor? So, I decided, let's do a 3D print of the 10th Doctor. It's bigger than inside. Alright, so it's done. Got the base. It's all primed. Not my best work. I see some flaws in them. But it's something real quick to do. You know, I could probably, if I want to, I could probably just sand it out again. You know, make it better. But for what it's worth, there's something to do. I mean, I kind of like it. It's for me anyway, so it ain't like I'm giving it to anybody. But, yep, 10th Doctor is done. So what do you think? Let me know. So until next time, peace.